Here's how to fix the account has been deleted or deactivated error in ChatGPT. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'm going to help you resolve this issue quickly and easily. So one common cause is a browser cache problem. First, you need to go ahead and clear your browser's cache and cookies. Tap on the three dots in the top right corner of your screen. Then go to Settings. From Settings, you need to tap on Privacy and Security. Now tap on Delete Browsing Data. Select Cached Images and Files. Then tap on Delete Data in the bottom, which is highlighted in blue color, and you'll be done. Then after, simply search for OpenAI and clear its cookies as well and restart ChatGPT. If clearing your cache does not work, email the OpenAI support team. Email in support@openai.com describing your problem or visit the help center. OpenAI support will contact you to help. If the browser version of ChatGPT is not working and is causing issues, you can go ahead, open your Microsoft Store on your device. In the search bar, simply search for ChatGPT application. Then tap on Get, which is highlighted in blue color. Simply wait for its installment. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.